Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the process of deriving the quadratic formula using the completing square method. We are given ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. How do you derive the quadratic formula? The first step, so we'll have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Divide throughout by a. So divide here by a, divide here by a, divide here by a. And even if you want, you can divide here by a. 0 divided by a will be 0. So what this does, you cancel that and you have the equation with the coefficient of x squared being 1. So you have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals to 0. Then the next step, you subtract c over a both sides. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a minus c over a equals to 0 minus c over a. So this c over a on the left hand side cancels out and you remain with x squared plus b over ax equals to negative c over a. The next step, complete the square on the left hand side of the equation. So we divide the middle term by 2 and then square it to get the coefficient. And once we add that, we add it again on the other side of the equation. X squared plus b over ax plus the constant b over a multiplied by a half. The whole of this squared should be equals to minus c over a, the last term plus b over a multiplied by a half, the whole of this squared. So we simplify the equation and this one becomes x squared plus b over ax, and then we have b plus b over 2a, the whole of this squared equals to minus c over a plus the square of b over 2a. So the next step is to isolate the perfect square on the left hand side. So isolate the perfect square by identifying the values that are being squared. The first term would be x. So we add b over 2a. And then we simplify the right hand side of the equation. This one would be minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. On the left hand side, we have x plus b over 2a, the whole of this squared equals 2. We simplify the right hand side of the equation by solving the fractions. The LCM of 4a squared and a. 4a squared. Now 4a squared divided by a, div 4a, multiplied by negative c, div negative 4ac, plus 4a squared divided by 4a squared multiplied by b squared. So we get positive b squared. We can rearrange the right hand side of the equation so that we are not starting with the negative sign. So this one would be x plus b over 2a, the whole of this squared equals to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. The next step, find the square root on both sides. So here we find the square root. On this other side, we we find the square root plus or minus. So let us cancel the square root and the square on the left hand side, so that now we get x plus b over 2a equals to plus or minus. So the square root on the numerator, this is b squared minus 4ac over the square root of the denominator, 4a squared. We subtract b over 2a both sides. So on the left hand side we minus b over 2a. On the right hand side we subtract b over 2a. So you realize that this b over 2a cancels out and we remain with x would be equals to, on the right hand side we have the square root of 4a squared. The square root of 4a squared is 2a, and please note that this 2a is the same as the denominator of negative b. So we can have the LCM of 2a and 2a being the same. And then since we have negative b here, which is not under the square root, we can start writing it down. So we have minus b plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac, and this gives us the quadratic formula for finding the value of x.
For this and other educational resources, we invite you to visit our YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our content. You may also enable notifications by clicking the bell icon, so that you are promptly informed whenever we publish new videos.